Good day, campers. For today's project, I'm going to be relocating the awning lights in my Carfree of Colorado Longitude awning set. The way these are installed originally is there's lights out here in the end of the awning, which means you can only use those lights when the awnings are fully extended. There are a lot of situations where our awnings are not fully extended. So I have bought from Amazon. I put a link in the description to those awning lights, and I'm going to attach those here across the strip under the awning so they can be controlled by the same switch that the awning lights are controlled by, but they can be operated whether the awning is out or not. First step is we're going to remove the cover that kind of hides the wiring. I need to remove all this silicone and then remove the wire nuts, and then be ready to attach my regular wiring for the new lights. Quick word of warning here. Inside all of this silicone is not only the wiring for the awning lights, but it's the wiring for the awning motor, and we do not want to damage that. Now cleared enough silicone to do what I need to do. This is awning lights. This is the awning motor. Just as a little side note, when the factory installed this, they damaged the wires, so I'm going to have to rewire the motor controller anyway, but that's not part of this video. Okay, the next step here is I actually want to install the lights so that they're ready to be wired up. So I'll do that now. These lights come double sticky. I've cleaned the track where I'm going to put the lights, and I'll just work across and attach the lights to this bracket. These lights are designed to be cut to length or spliced together. If you cut at this little, where you see the two copper leads, then the lights will still work even though you've cut them. White goes to red, black goes to black. I'm going to use some solder heat shrinkable connectors to connect this up, not the crimp wire nuts like the factory uses. It's connected up. I have wired using my heat shrink solder connectors. I did not have to extend the wires from the awning lights. Everything reaches, so there's no splices or extensions. The lights come on with the same switch that operated the lights at the end of the awning. Coming up in the next few days will be a replacement of these awnings with awnings that do not have the wires in them. And that completes this project. And as always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.